Hello everyone. I'm your host, the Dominic Rex, and for today's episode, I've brought to you another episode of.
Wait, hold on.
Why?
You forgot to change your attire.
What?
Yes, you promised, Dominic. Your new look.
What's wrong with the look I got on now?
I told you just promised. Just change it, please.
Fine. Jeez. Alright, so before the episode begins, apparently I've got to change my look. Behold!
Wrong outfit, dude.
Oh. Sorry. I was gonna go to Georgia, see the Georgia game once I was done here.
No excuse.
Alright, try again. Behold!
Oh.
Yeah, that's better.
Huh. Yeah.
So, that works.
Yeah, it looks a bit different.
Alright. Can I start now?
Yeah, you get started.
Alright. Hello everyone, I'm the Dominic Rex, and welcome to another episode of the Random Fandom's Pokéspot Corner. And today we have for you a Cosmic Eclipse Sun and Moon Pokemon Elite Trainer box set. I have no idea what this thing is, so I'm gonna open it and find out what's inside. Why? Because we love doing that sort of thing. We love opening boxes. And if there's something dangerous inside the box, we like the box. We just don't always like what's inside. That's life, you know? Sometimes we like what life appears to be, but we don't always like what's inside the contents of life. Life is a box. You love the box. It's a colorful, pretty box. But what's inside the box could shatter your heart, end a romance, divide families, cause wars, the list is so on and so on. So
That Magikarp looks like he's seen a lot of wars, doesn't he?
we do not speak of war in his presence. This Magikarp has seen a lot. Yeah. Alright. So, as I said, life is a box! And I'm gonna put this here right next to Magikarp. So, feel the wrath of Magikarp.
Corn.
Put that right there. Behold it in all its glory.
Sorry about the
Trash.
lighting, though.
Oh yeah, the lighting dribble. We swore we would get new equipment, but unfortunately, I'm having a bit of trouble doing this. Can't seem to get anything working right. Alright, let's see. We got some dividers. Oh yes, something I share with people. The code card for the box. If you enjoy reading the codes to put them on the online what's it, if you're one of those guys that pause the video, read the code, go get you something. Because to me,
Excuse me.
trash!
Sorry,
I don't do that online thing.
Didn't mean to burp.
I know you don't.
It's the presence of Magikarp that made me burp.
Again, nobody cares. Nobody cares. Oh, you're ruining this for me. Okay. And inside the box we have a bunch of Cosmic Eclipse booster packs.
I think I just fixed the lighting on this phone.
Oh, good for you. I'm going to open all of them. Alright, let's see. 2x2, hands blue. We're gonna start with this one. It looks like a Togepi, a Jigglypuff, and a Clefairy.
Say that again.
Why?
Just do it.
Togepi. You wanted me to say that, didn't you?
Anyways.
Alright, anyways. Threatening aside, we don't want this video to be demonetized, so I can't kill anyone on this channel.
Minecraft. Use the word Minecraft instead of kill.
I can't craft anybody.
No, it's called Minecraft. You Minecraft someone if you want them not living.
I could just say the N-word and get this entire channel demonetized.
No. Okay, just continue, please.
See what I mean? See what I mean?
Excuse me. Oh my gosh.
Right. I've forgotten the secret technique to opening these things.
The secret technique is called scissors.
Besides scissors, there's a secret technique to opening these things. And I've remembered.
Alright.
Now for the sun and moon set, I believe it's four to the back. 4 to the back. Alright, we're gonna try. Alright. But first, enjoy yourself an exclusive code. Enjoy it. Pause the video if you want to read it. Behold. Alright, because to me it's trash. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I got this wrong.
What's
shut
trash
the
again?
front door.
Just shove it into this trash can. Trash! Trash!
Was that really necessary? Was that necessary?
It's the random fandom. What is necessary? Trash!
That's a good point. Ooh! Apparently the energy cards got new design to them.
Oh, let me see.
Right. Fire energy card.
This is the fire. I've got the fire. Magikarp is like, oh my gosh. Fire.
A fishing rod. Lana's fishing rod, I guess.
What is Fortnite? Where we all have
Chaotic.
fishing rods now?
Do you still play Fortnite?
Sort of. Not really. Anyways.
Child. Chaotic swell. I'm guessing that's a black hole.
Well, I mean, chaos.
Chaos control.
Next.
Alright. A type null. I've been wanting to get this Pokemon.
Type B, type null,
No.
type C.
No, type null is what evolves into Sylvally.
Silvally.
I will shoot your cat.
No.
Right. Teddiursa. Behold. So cute. Right. Nose pass. Nose a pass.
You get a nose pass if you sneeze.
Why do we have you as commentator again?
Shiny up.
Thank you. Okay. Alright. Litleo. Yeah.
Okay, let's make these quick.
Alright. Alright. For the baby.
For the babies of my baby.
Shut up!
Sorry.
Okay. Esfeel.
Oh. Let's feel.
Oh. Well, what do you know? What's that? This guy on a channel I watched recently, he's, I forgot the name of the YouTuber, but he's on, Hard Collector's channel. He's from Japan. He likes this Pokemon, But behold, I have
Behold.
a full art. A mimic-you! That's how he says it. Mimic-you!
Bam. Bam.
And,
Oh, shoot.
Well, it may not.
I'm sure.
I believe it's a full art.
I'm sorry.
I think it's a full art.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's probably a full art. It looks like a full art. I'm calling it a full art. And here's a Heliolisk. And because I believe this is a full art, I'm going to sleeve this.
Sleeve this. Sleeve it or slay it. Oh, just sleeve it till later. I don't think we have much time on this video. For the video.
We have enough time to sleeve one.
All right.
On screen, that is. And that is Mimic-you!
Yeah, so far this is already, what, a 10-minute video, I think?
Yes, how's that work?
Time flies when you're having a good time.
The box, wasn't it? We opened the box. We can't put it back inside the box. Right.
Next packet. Oh, gosh. Took us 10 minutes for one package.
But that was mostly your fault.
Okay, fine, chain up. We may have to make this a two-parter.
We make this a two-parter. I'll find someone else to video this.
No need. This would be fun. This would be like a Pokemon marathon.
Code!
Because of the fact that
Read the code!
Reading.
There you go. If you like to read the codes, read the code.
Yeah, there's some.
Hear the code. Right.
Anyways, I was thinking that since because of the fact that we haven't been releasing a lot of content, on our channel, that we could just like make more videos out of the same video, I guess, or not the same video, but I mean, with the same. Like, okay, make this a two-parter since it is a box. It's very special. It is a box. Anyways, box. Next.
Water card.
Ooh, nice.
Shiny. Everyone loves water. Surprisingly, water is not wet unless it touches something. It's very fluid. But apparently, water is not wet unless, that's it. Now, apparently this was new to me. Everybody else already knew that water was not wet. Not me. I had no idea water was not wet until...
I thought water was wet.
No, water is just water until it comes into contact with something. Other than that, it's just fluid. Apparently that's what I was told. Star Treks.
I mean, everyone says that if you don't get into the water is wet. Or the water will make you wet. But either way, it's just...
Lily, what is that? Lily's full force.
I mean, technically a river's wet since... Right? Like it's a ditch.
It's resolve.
And now the ditch is wet because of the water. And now the Togepi...
Why do we have you on this?
Okay, sure.
A Trapinch.
Trapinch is very pinchy. Pinchy. Shiny up.
Okay, we have a Sneasel. A Feel. We all love this Feel. A Alolan Meowth. And let's see here. We have a Ralts.
Oh, whatever he sounds like, I guess. Whatever you want him to sound like, I guess.
Reverse Hollow Spheal.
Ooh.
And a Swanna.
Swanna.
Because Swanna. But we still have Mimic-you!
Mimic-you!
Don't mimic me, Mimic-you.
Mimicking me, I'm mimicking you. I love God, I like a zoo. Or so, I don't know. Shiny up.
Opening another.
Yeah, this might be a two-parter.
We've established this already. Trash.
No.
Trash.
Trash!
Just like your trash. Code. Read the code if you want to. In that time, so.
Do.
Right. I see you, psychic energy. A Prinplup.
Oh, wait, hold on. Prinplup.
Prinplup.
Yay, Prinplup.
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 Prinplup. Prinplup.
Prinplup.
Prinplup. Plup, 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 plup. Beast type. Beast type. Beast type.
That's a new Pokemon, isn't it?
No, it's a trainer card.
Oh, okay.
I'll let you know if I come across anything new.
Here's the new Pokemon. It's called...
Tag call.
You interrupted me with tag call. Anyways, that's not a new Pokemon. No.
Ad block.
Yes, that's a Pokemon right there. Ad block.
No, it's not. Duskull.
That should be Pokemon though.
It is a Pokemon.
No, not Duskull.
Timpole.
I mean like a ad block.
No one cares. Nobody cares. A Flabebe.
Flabebe is my baby. Sorry.
I feel for you. A Lowland Sandshrew. Let's see. Bonita.
Bonita. It's so nita.
Oh, this one's a Whimsicott reverse rare card.
Whoa, a Whimsicott.
Yeah. And a
Bum bum da 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 da.
Flygon GX.
What?
Behold, mortal, for you are in the presence of true power. I'm going to put it in a sleeve. We are going to sleeve it.
The sleeve later, I guess, all the gators. That's just how many packages so far?
Only 3!
And how many are left?
5.
Oh shoot! Yeah, okay, yeah. This is gonna be a two-parter.
So already we've got a full art and a GX card. And what else will we find? Probably nothing. This is probably all we're gonna get. So, treasure these moments, children. Treasure the
Wait, up it.
when you have a box, and it'll probably be full of trash in your life. Remember these words of wisdom with the Dominic Rex. We're going to get a box. On the outside, it'll probably look cool, some fancy design on it. That'll be your box. Your box is going to look cool, and other people might think it is cool, your box. But inside the box, it will most unfortunately be filled with trash things in life, like Ponyta. It'll be full of trash. However, you must learn to treasure the good things you get in your box. Treasure the good things.
That's right, Magikarp. Treasure the good things. You'll never become a Gyarados, but you'll still be our favorite Magikarp.
Cool. Well, that spiel came from somewhere. That came from somewhere. What was I even doing?
did. It did indeed. Mm. That was, sorry, Megatron voice. I was practicing my Megatron voice in the Pokemon video. That was random.
Code.
Oh wow, that should be our last code of the day. Wait, hold on. Shouldn't we put all the codes into that? No, okay. I think all of the codes should just go into the trash.
Yeah, I'll make sure to put you in there later.
No, wait. You need me for the next episode.
Do I? Do I though?
No, the one
Fairy type.
Fairy
tale.
No. That show was Netflix trash.
It was Netflix trash, but it actually turned out to have a surprisingly good ending. All right.
A lot of people hated
Tag team trainer card.
Yeah, we'll probably talk about that.
And Brinsenman. Brinsenman, take me by the hand, lead me to
No, wait, no, that's Seven Deadly Sins that some people think is trash, right? Or is it both?
They think season 3 is trash. Right.
I personally don't like the fact that
we're not here to talk about that.
Okay, sorry.
Heck, I mentioned one thing. You gotta go into a spiel.
I'm sorry. I'm the host. I have
trash host. Anarith looks at you with judgment. You feel your sin crawling on your back.
Ouch.
Yeah.
Man, I feel. Never mind. I take back everything I said. Magikarp.
Rufflet
had it worse. You know, he had it rough.
Piplup. Alolan Vulpix. Yeah, don't do that. Rockruff.
Wow, Rockruff had it rough. I'm sorry!
Swear if we get demonetized, it's your fault. Okay, Stuffle.
Stuff you up.
It's adorable.
So, Stuffle will stuff you up?
Nothing brings joy to a man's life more than a stuffed pink teddy bear. I mean, if I look closely into my family history, as far as I can remember, at least two of my uncles, two of our uncles, have had stuffed pink teddy bears, and it has brought them severe joy. Shoot. Maybe I should get a pink stuffed teddy bear.
I don't have a stuffed. I don't have a pink stuffed teddy bear, but I have a stuffed teddy bear up there on the shelf.
Trash. Anyways.
No, he's not trash.
Reverse for Pyroar.
Yay!
And a Macargo. Let's go.
Let's go, Macargo.
Okay.
Into the trash.
You're gonna go into the trash. Macargo will follow you, but you will go into the trash. Alright. Starting the next pack. Unless you want to stop here.
Yeah, let's stop here.
Alright, fine.
It's already 23 minutes. So.
Alright, fine. We'll start the next part sometime later. In the meantime, these are the good pullings we got today. And I like this Pyroar. This is another good. It's not good enough to be sleeved, but it's a good card. So okay. Here are the good things we got so far in this part 1 episode of Pokéspot Corner. Be sure to tune in next time to join us for part 2. And thank you very much for watching. Cheers, much love, as always.
Tip of the hat, y'all.
And I'm gonna go throw Rainwood in the trash.